Sound off, Chad dead. Sound off and Chad dead.
Mike, stop. Just stop.
Mike, we heard enough of your air releases. We don't need to continue. I have...
The sad part is they both smell the same, so...
Refreshing.
Yeah, refreshing, alright. Fuck how you ass breath.
Yeah, my breath does smell like ass.
Well,
Really?
you know what? It does because you're the one who says you
no,
eat
they're
ass.
dying already. Come on.
Ah, nice one there.
Right onto your left,
I
Mike.
won.
Oh, fuck.
Bro, he dropped me in 2 shots, really. I hit him with a headshot too. He's picking up his partner.
What's ironic is that you shot him.
Aaron, why are you running?
Oh, you were watching it? Yeah, it was pretty funny. I'm not gonna lie.
I was distracting him, Luna, so you could sneak up behind him.
Yeah.
Oh, no, he's going around. He's going around. Yeah.
Of course he is.
That's disgusting, man. You're disgusting.
What are you talking about?
You just burped.
Why don't you go drink some ass milk?
Fuck you! I would have had you, you stupid douche. Back.
So that dude went around with his partner.
I need more
Look
ammo.
who's on top.
I need more ammo for my fucking rifle. I need ammo. I need fucking ammo. I need to like buy that fucking perk.
Come on, Ed.
Like
Come on, Mike. Start pulling
extra-
weight.
I want to get a shot on him.
extra ammo at the start.
I'm from behind.
Ugh.
I'm trying not to burp right now.
Well, mute your mic.
I can't even, like, I gotta unplug it to do that.
Just fucking 16 bullets. Great. Okay, so it's like 4 per person. Are you love break dances? Guys, oh my god, too big. Whack. Yay. 3K points. You
Excuse
just
me.
reached it? LOL. Did I give you 50 when you were like
What the
right
hell's
at
wrong
it?
with you?
Mike, really? Who you
Yo,
are?
that
That's
dude-
because you're burping, you ass.
Of course, again.
No, that dude had no recoil. Like, I shot him and like
So
he just like
gross.
kept
That's
shooting
so
me.
unladylike.
Come on, bitch. Yeah, that's what I thought, asshole.
Yes! Yeah, you thought you dropped me, but you didn't, bitch. Eat shit.
Where are
I
you
covered
at?
my eyes too when I went to go burp, and it didn't work because I still hurt.
The
I
last
need
one is
fucking
the
health. I need health.
I don't
Give me
know
that box. I need help.
Oh,
Oh my god, he's
there's
behind
some in
you.
that box. Watch out
Oh
behind
my
you.
god,
Oh,
no! Aaron, I saw it coming. Shit. Oh,
I didn't see it.
wow,
That's what she said.
ridiculous. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was like,
Oh, dude, I am gonna rape
oh
that
my
lemon.
god, no! I was like, I'm gonna go to the box and get help, and I was like, oh.